Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. I'm here with the big dummy. This is going to be body shop update number 1. We did a video previously on stripping the car down and getting it over to the body shop, but seatbelt. But we had a computer crash. Yeah, a complete crash. So we don't know if that video is ever going to make it. We haven't even been able to upload videos in a few days now. We're trying to get a desktop up and running that we can get a couple videos made. Are you going to go the long way on purpose?
What's the one way to?
The most direct way to get there. Holy cow. He wants to go on a scenic trip. So we're going to head over to the body shop. The truck sat for about 2 weeks outside, which really is kind of normal for a body shop. Like we said in the first video, if it ever makes it up, it's welcome to body shop hell. But yeah, the truck sat for 2 weeks. We stripped it down, got everything, all the trim and lights and everything off except for the rear bumper. And we had it all stripped down, brought it over to him, and it sat in the street for 2 weeks. And today's what, Thursday? Mm-hmm. Today's Thursday. We're in the middle of the zombie apocalypse. It's like day 47 of the lockdown or something like that. But he got it inside last Friday, so it's been inside 6 days. 6 days altogether. He was hoping to have it done towards the end of the week, so it's Thursday now. I'm not is optimistic the word? I don't know.
You're pessimistic.
No, I don't think that's the word you're supposed to use there. I'm not confident that it's going to be anywhere near done, but it is indoors, so it's taking up room inside the shop, which is a help, because usually when it's inside the shop, they want to get it out, right? They want to get it out of the way. But they are slow as far as business is, and they are slow with the amount of employees that are showing up to work because of this whole zombie apocalypse going on. So when we get to the body shop, we'll check it out. You can see the roads are pretty dead during the zombie apocalypse. It's, what time is it? 4:45. 4:45 on a Thursday. And this is, I mean, for this part of New York on this road, this is pretty empty.
Should I go up on the curb?
Yeah, in front of that white car, I guess. All right, I'm pulling up. It looks kind of locked up. I think we're shit out of luck. Oh no, somebody's in there. Okay. Yeah, just park right here. All right, so we ran inside. Couldn't take any video of the truck because it's not here. It's at their other location where they have more guys working. They flatbedded it over there, and they are working on it. And he is hopefully going to stop there tomorrow and shoot some video with his phone that we can insert here. All right, so if we did get video, you just got it. You saw what it's up to.
Can we go over there?
Can we go over that? It's kind of late now. By the time we get there, there'll be nobody there. I almost want to drive there just to see if it's actually inside getting worked on. I gotta look through the windows. Should go there after hours. I don't even know where it is.
I didn't know that.
So that's it from Axel's Garage, Body Shop Hell. This is video number 2. Hopefully we have 2 up if the computer crash didn't completely kill us. See you on the next video.